Inside a massive 58,000 square foot facility in Hayward, California, the production of 1X's NEO humanoid robots is already in full motion. A recent factory tour gives a clear look at how everything comes together, step by step. With over 200 people working behind the scenes, the operation is already producing thousands of key components every single month. It starts with raw materials like copper spools, which are fed straight into automated machines that wind coils for the Revo 2 motors. These motors are what drive every movement the NEO makes. Each one goes through a carefully controlled process, shaping electrified steel into stators and adding custom electronics to boost torque and performance. Nearby, another system is busy producing braided tendons. These are specially treated to give the robot smooth, quiet movement while maintaining strength and durability over time. The hands are assembled at a dedicated station where precision is everything. Each component is fitted together gradually, giving the robot its range of motion one step at a time. The fingers and palms combine soft polymer layers with tiny motors and electronics, allowing for both flexibility and control. Battery packs are built on a fast-moving automated line, with welding happening every half second. These packs use aerospace-grade materials and are constantly monitored for performance, checking their condition up to 100 times per second. Cooling channels run through the design to keep temperatures stable, even during intense use. At the same time, the robot's main computer system, known as the Cortex, is assembled with advanced hardware, including an NVIDIA Jetson Thor board, stereo cameras, microphones, and multiple sensors. Everything is pre-arranged into compact modules that slot neatly into place, keeping the process efficient and organized. As the build progresses, the robot slowly takes shape. Each station adds another layer of functionality, from joints and limbs to internal systems. There are constant checks along the way to catch any issues early, and the tools are designed so parts can only fit correctly. By the end of the line, the robot finally stands upright for the first time. From there, outer covers and a soft suit are carefully added before a final inspection ensures everything is ready. Some of the first NEO robots are already working right there in the factory. They move bins filled with parts, sort materials, and handle repetitive tasks across the floor. Watching robots assist in building more robots is a bit unusual, but it allows human workers to focus on more complex responsibilities. For now, their role is focused on simple, repeatable jobs, but that's expected to expand soon. The plan is to scale production to 10,000 robots per year, with another facility already in development. The long-term goal is even bigger, aiming for over 100,000 robots annually by the end of 2027.